Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous Volkswagen Tiguan SEL DSG 4Motion. This vehicle is currently run 22,889 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour Indium Grey, and if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now taking a look around the vehicle, starting at the front here, you have your LED headlights. Complement the front grille there very well with the chrome detailing. Now around to the side, it does sit very nicely on the 19-inch Victoria alloy wheels. Now continuing, you have your indicator integrated into the door mirror there, and you have some nice privacy glass to give you nice privacy to the rear. Take a look inside here at the rear. You've got very nice cloth seats with a nice suede middle parting. You do have ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. As you can see, at the rear of the front seats, you have these pop-out trays, which are handy if you have meals on the go. There are air conditioning vents there at the rear as well, and you have the option for rear passengers to select their own temperature for the rear so they can travel comfortably. Now to the rear of the vehicle. It's a very practical SUV. You do have a power tailgate that can be opened using the key fob. It provides you with access into the very spacious boot. You can easily fit a pram in there or a set of golf clubs. There are tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down if you need to. And up top, you'll find a button for closing the tailgate, which is very handy if your hands are full when unloading the vehicle. You don't have to struggle to close it. Taking a look inside here at the front. You have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You've got nice grey gloss along the dashboard and on the doors. Up top you do have a panoramic sunroof that you can open and let plenty of fresh air in. Also makes the vehicle feel even more spacious than it already is. There is plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And here you have a button as well for a nice massage feature, so you can be comfortable during those longer journeys. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this vehicle has to offer. Hopping in, starting on the driver's door. So up there you have your door locks. And below here you have your electric mirror adjustments that include heating and folding. The folding's a great feature, as you can quickly fold the mirrors in to keep them protected. It's handy when you park on narrow roads, as you can prevent them from being knocked off by other road users. You have a button there for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. You have automatic headlights, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road. Now on the steering wheel here you have some controls for your digital cockpit. It's a very nice feature. You can display a variety of different information on here. You have your driving data that includes your speedo, as well as your miles to the gallon. You can also access different menus as well, such as your assist systems that includes lane assist. And you also have front assist as well. Lane assist will detect when you're starting to drift out of your lane and alert you to correct this. And front assist can detect potential hazards ahead and can emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. Here you can see you can display your navigation on here, which is very handy when following directions. It means you don't have to take your eyes too far off the road to ensure you're following the route. As you can see, you can display other menus such as your radio and vehicle statuses as well, and your overall driving data. And on the opposite side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control. It is adaptive cruise control. It's ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and you can arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. You can set the distance you can keep the vehicle from ones ahead. It'll automatically slow you down if necessary and leave space. You have a nice compartment there up top where you can store things away very easily. Here you can see you have your touchscreen infotainment screen, and you can access DAB, FM and AM radio through this. It's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle, and with DAB you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so you can enjoy the radio nice and clear. You can also connect your own source of audio. You do have USB auxiliary input as well as your SD. There is also Bluetooth connectivity, so you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go and keep up to date with wherever you need to. You do have voice control, so you can ask the vehicle to do things like set a station or call people, so you don't have to mess around with the infotainment screen while driving. You can display your navigation here on the infotainment screen as well if you want a larger display of it. And you also have your app connect here with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink that brings your phone's interface into the vehicle and allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and texts. You do have front and rear parking sensors to give you added confidence when parking in tighter spaces, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle of things you may not be able to see. Now below here you have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices. Prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold, as you can set your own preferences for your side of the vehicle. You do also have heated seats, which is ideal for the upcoming winter months, so you can keep nice and warm while on the go. You can change the direction of airflow there. You can also recircle the air through the vehicle as well. Now below here you have a button next to your gear stick for turning on or off your start-stop. You also have your different driving modes here. You have normal, sport, individual and eco. With individual, you can set your own preferences to how you want the vehicle to perform and handle, allowing you to have the perfect driving experience. It's very easy to set up your preferences and they'll always be there when you select individual. You do also have options for different terrains, which is ideal with the four-wheel drive. You have your off-road here, and you also have off-road individual settings you can adjust as well for your own preferences when off-roading. You also have snow as well, which is handy during the winter months when it's snowing, or if you take the vehicle abroad to snowy locations. And up top you'll find your buttons for the panoramic sunroof. To open it, you simply push the switch back once. You also have buttons here for opening and closing the visor to cover it up. Thanks for watching this video on the Volkswagen Tiguan SEL DSG 4Motion. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.